I wanted to create a long album, long wide album. Hi, Archana here, and I am sharing with you my new album, which is 11 by 6 inches. And I have used Prima's recent collection called Poetic Rose. So let's see how I created inside. It's very easy album. As I always make beginners album, I am myself a beginner in the album making. So please do not expect more dramatic things inside. So this is pretty simple album and anyone can create it. So let's get started. I used this beautiful scrap knit chipboard piece right here in the center, which has some mesh kind of back, which looks so pretty. And also I have created some of these stripes to give a different look. You can say it's kind of trellis or something else, wood panel or something, but I have used white color. I distressed these edges with Prima's Edger chalk ink, which is I think hydrangea color, and everything is from the Poetic Rose collection. All these pretty flowers, you can see they are stunning, very pretty. And this sentiment is part of ephemera, and some of the C6 I have used here, the crystal dots, and that is it pretty much. And this is also part of ephemera, the beautiful butterfly you can see right here. And this is long album, wide album, but I'll try my best to show every details. So first page like this, I have created a pocket here. I have used this beautiful edge die by Crealis, and I have created a pocket here too. I don't have any insert here, but let's see if I can insert this one in there. So you can see this right there. There is a pretty deep pocket, and there is a pocket also like that. And here I have used same die cut underneath in the black color, and get a slit right there, so you can easily insert any kind of picture or anything here, cards or anything. And almost every page I have created an envelope. So this is the envelope, you can see right here. And the back side is pretty simple. This beautiful page and sentiments, I kept it as it is, so pretty. And here you can see a card, but there is some kind of gap here, so you can insert many more things there and put the picture here like that. And there in between two pages, the back and front, I have created a pocket. Pretty simple, pretty easy to make, and you can use it for tags or letters or journaling, or extra pictures you can hide inside. And then this page is simple also, but you can easily insert any kind of photo here. And here also I have created a slit, a big slit, big picture, since this page is pretty wide, and you can insert 3-4 pictures as well. And also I have created another pocket here in between two pages right there, and there is another spot for pictures like that. Then next page, here is another same slit I have created to insert pictures like that. And there is a envelope here, and I didn't use any kind of magnet, anything. I was thinking to use some kind of iron or ribbon or seam binding here, but I thought it is not so complicated to keep it like that. It's not coming on the way of anything, or it's not annoying, so I kept it like that. That's fine. All pages, there is nothing much decorated on this side, so this flap goes like that, so you don't need to use any magnet or anything. Unless you want, you can use. Then on the back side, this page is pretty simple. And here also I have used this and this parchment paper printed one, which comes with the those flower packs. And here also there is a corner I have created, so you can easily stick the pictures right here. And another pocket here, and these pockets are also pretty big because the page is wide. And then back side is as it is, very easy and simple. And here also another slit you can see. And here again the pocket. And then the back side is plain. And here is also one of the page I have created just as it is, but you can insert a picture right here. And there is another pocket here. And this paper line is so pretty, so you don't need to decorate much. These papers gives so much beauty to your project. So I kept most of the pages very plain, simple. And here also the very plain area, you can easily stick any picture or anything. And here also there is another pocket right here. And here you can insert any picture. I have used one of the ephemera sentiment here, the corner one, you can see. And another big page, large page, so you can insert picture right here. So this slit will help, and this corner will help to keep your picture safe. It will not fall at all, like that. And this page, there is another pocket. So every large page I have created pocket. And I forgot to mention, I created couple of pockets. You feel like there is one pocket, but there are two pockets. You can see one pocket I created just under the designer paper, like that. And then another behind this black matting paper. So there are many more pockets I have created. Since pocketing pockets is very easy while you are sticking your pages in the album. And here is also one of the page I have created. So this chipboard has a square border, chipboard border like this one. I have used this border right here and kept this corner as it is, so you can insert your pictures here. And also I have used ephemeras here. And the back side is like that. So there is another envelope. So I have created all these envelopes using my VR Memory Keepers punch board. But if you don't have a punch board, I will show you how to create these kind of long envelopes. Just comment me if you are interested making envelopes or understanding the measurement and all. And this is my simple and easy album. And I hope you will like it. Please comment me, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for my future videos. When I post it, you will get notification. I hope you will find this album interesting. It's pretty shabby chic. I had so much fun making these. And that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.